Hi, I'm Anna Garwood, a co-director of Youth Grow, and I want to tell you about the program that we offer at your child's school. Youth Grow is a program of Growing Gardens, a Portland-based nonprofit. Our mission is to engage kids in food and gardening, giving them new perspectives on food, health, and the world around them. We partner with 11 elementary schools in the Portland metro area to teach lessons during the school day, side by side with your child's teacher. The lessons are aligned with grade level standards and integrate environmental science, tasting vegetables, and food traditions from different cultures. Our team of educators teach about 3,000 students each year. We also provide after-school and summer garden clubs through the Sun System, where students help grow food, care for the garden, and of course have fun. We grow organic fruits and vegetables at the school garden, offer cafeteria tastings, cooking demonstrations, and take-home recipe kits. We donate all of the produce to school cafeterias, food pantries, and directly to families. In addition to the elementary program, we also work with younger and older students, and our curriculum stretches to be appropriate for each age. For example, while a preschooler may be doing a color scavenger hunt in a garden, a high schooler may be asking bigger questions about the food system. Last but not least, we strive to connect with families, to engage them in the school garden activities, and invite them to participate in Growing Gardens Home Garden Program, which helps families start gardening with free seeds, starts, garden builds, and workshops. Thank you so much for letting us know what you want to see out of our program.